We've all been there thinking our homes are sparkling clean when in reality there are hidden areas screaming for attention. These overlooked spots can harbor dust, dirt, and even bacteria, compromising our health and well-being. But don't worry. Today we're going to expose these secret messes and give you the cleaning tips you need to take back control of your home. It's easy to assume that certain areas of our homes are clean enough, but the truth is, they're often breeding grounds for germs and dirt. Take, for example, our kitchen sinks. We wash our dishes and our hands in them, but how often do we actually clean the sink itself? The answer is probably not often enough. The same goes for our toilet handles, light switches, and even our remote controls. We use them daily, but when was the last time you gave them a good wipe down? We're guilty of overlooking these areas because we think they're not as important as the rest of the house. But the reality is, these hidden spots are just as significant as the surfaces we see every day. Neglecting them can lead to the spread of illnesses and even long-term health problems. It's time to stop treating these areas as an afterthought and give them the attention they deserve. Think about it. Every time you touch one of these hidden areas, you're potentially transferring germs. It's a scary thought, but one that we need to confront head-on. By acknowledging the importance of these hidden areas, we can take the necessary steps to keep ourselves and our loved ones healthy. Let's talk about some of the most frequently overlooked areas in our homes. How about under our furniture? Dust bunnies and dirt accumulate under our couches, beds, and chairs, and it's a nightmare to clean. But it's essential to get into those tight spaces and give them a good dusting. And what about our air conditioning vents? They recirculate the same air throughout our homes, spreading dust and allergens everywhere. It's crucial to clean them regularly to keep our air clean and healthy. Did you know that the average toilet handle has over 200 times more bacteria than the average toilet seat? That's right. Our toilet handles are some of the dirtiest surfaces in our homes, and we touch them every single day. It's time to take action and give them the cleaning attention they need. And don't even get me started on light switches and electrical outlets. They're petri dishes for bacteria and germs, and we flip them on and off without giving it a second thought. Here's a shocking fact. The average person touches their face over 2,000 times a day, and each time, they're transferring germs from their hands to their face. It's no wonder we get sick so often, but by cleaning these hidden areas, we can reduce the risk of illness and keep our homes healthy and happy. So let's recap the key areas we need to focus on in our homes. We need to clean our light switches, remote controls, under our furniture, and even our toilet handles. It might seem like a lot, but trust me, it's worth it. By giving these hidden areas the attention they deserve, we can keep our homes and our bodies healthy. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the hidden messes of our homes. I want to hear from you. What's the one cleaning task you've been putting off? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want more cleaning tips and tricks, be sure to watch my next video for more secrets to a cleaner, healthier home.